It's no fun, you know, when the F-22 does.
Oh, he'll just need some tires.
The pincer valve, the Marsal, is it the Marsal veins on this one that are acting on Mars? The throttle wash, what is it? I don't know. Oh my gosh, the poor guys, that is over. There it is. Last got it back down now. He's going to roll all the way to the end of the runway.
Aerodynamic braking now. You use as much of the airplane to slow it down. Not so much the brakes. He has a cable down near the end if he needs it.
Yeah. Put it down there and stop. And they're going to shut it down there at the end of the runway.
Tow it back.
And they'll tow it back. Oh my gosh. See, doing it.
It's the same way I returned to car.
It's just like that. Smoking when it goes down.
Oh, yeah. Build the rims to the airplane and everything. And I got it to the local RC club and took off, and it lasted about 4 seconds.
Yeah, I was going to say.
It rolled right over and then right in.
That's the worst.
Well, that wing is an interesting wing. It works as an airplane at the real time that we're seeing here today. As an RC monitor, though, you had to be way ahead of it.
Look at that. He's going to just hold that nose wheel.
Keep the nose wheel up.
Yeah.
Keep the airplane in the airflow as long as you can. Save the brakes, save the brakes. Still got it up there in the air. Still, he's holding back. Keep it there. Gently put it down. He's got a long enough runway here.
Oh, yeah.
Corsair. Different story as a tail dragger.
Yeah, you don't want that tail wheel to get, or the tail, the rudder, to get blanked out, you know, by the wings. So you got to keep it firmly in play there until it's not, and you pin it.
Rudder authority, and you need that air both from the back. Oh, that's the Sky Raider.
Yeah.